Hi, my name is Veronica Gentry and I'm a Master Educator for Design Essentials. Today we have Miss Riley here with us. Hi Riley, how are you doing?
I'm great, how are you?
I'm doing well. Welcome to our salon.
Thank you.
Could you tell me what brings you in today?
So I've been wanting to add some body to my hair. Ever since I cut it into layers, it's been kind of flat, so I really wanted to add that volume.
Okay, so do you mind if I take a look at it?
No, go ahead.
So it looks like you have some face framing type layers going on. Beautiful. So I believe that utilizing our classic collection, we can definitely give you the volume, the voluminous curls, and everything that you're looking for. How does that sound to you?
Perfect.
Okay, great. Step 1, cleanse. Using our oat protein and henna fuller, thicker, stronger, deep cleansing shampoo. This is a volumizing shampoo that deeply cleanses, leaving hair light, bouncy, and lustrous. A natural blend of botanicals moisturize and smooth the hair shaft, while oat protein and henna strengthens hair strands from the inside out. This deep cleansing shampoo removes buildup and residue, promoting scalp health. It is a gentle formula that can be used daily or weekly and is perfect for all hair types. It also adds volume to fine, thinning, or limp hair. Step 2, condition. Using our Almond Butter Express Instant Moisturizing Conditioner. This is a lightweight blend of botanical emollients and moisturizers that provide instant hydration to the hair. Enriched with nourishing almond butter, which softens and detangles instantly, hair is guaranteed to be weightless, silky, and smooth. It seals the cuticle and locks in added moisture. Enhances manageability while adding body and shine. And it can be used daily or weekly on all hair types. Step 3, prep the hair using bamboo and silk HCO leave-in conditioner. This is an intercellular treatment which acts as a conditioner and a blow drying agent. It is enriched with bamboo extract and silk protein. It quickly penetrates deep within the hair shaft to strengthen and replenish, leaving the hair soft, manageable, and full of body. It instantly moisturizes, softens, and detangles the hair. It restores and strengthens the hair shaft and provides a protective layer to prevent heat damage. Step 4, style. Using Silk Essentials Thermal Strengthening Serum. This is a lightweight strengthening and smoothing serum that easily penetrates the cuticle and locks in moisture during heat styling, leaving the hair shiny and full of body. It improves hair manageability while imparting shine and a high gloss finish. This gentle, lightweight formula is perfect for all hair types and can be used wet or dry. It also protects from damage during heat styling. For the ultimate styling aid, Quick Dry Aerosol Spritz, the first of its kind, combining the best of an aerosol spray and spritz in just one product. This innovative aerosol spritz offers unparalleled control and volume, making it the ultimate styling tool for professionals and hair enthusiasts alike. Designed for precision, Quick Dry Spritz dries quickly, leaving the hair with incredible shine and superior style memory without any residue or flaking. It protects hair from the damaging effects of heat styling and ensures hair remains dry when applying heat, minimizing the damage. Perfect for achieving flexible, long-lasting styles, this product is ideal for all hair types and styling needs.